Welcome to Hadoop application. We see the paper concept of Hadoop and scheduling based on task dependency. First, to go, first to go to the project backup. Go to README. Just go through your README file. README file. What are the software needed to run your project? So the softwares are Apache Hadoop 2.6.0. This is the latest version, and JDK 1.8 and above version, and NetBeans 8.0. And OS is Windows 7 Ultimate 32-bit system. How to install your Hadoop 2.6.0? First, download this software from Apache corresponding Apache site, and copy this RAR file uh, and paste in your C drive. That is Hadoop 2.6.0, and extract this file. Before you can download JDK 1.6 versions. That means first download JDK 1.6 version. This is the best support for this version, only best support for the Hadoop applications. Okay. Next, download Hadoop 2.6.0. So first install the JDK 1.0 version. Let's install JDK 1.6. So initially you can create the initially you create the folder in new folder. That's new folder in C drive. That folder name is set the folder name is Java. The folder name is Java. Okay. Come to my C drive. Look at my C drive. I already created the Java folder. I installed the JDK 1.6 version in Java folder. Okay. Next, next extract your Hadoop 2.6 version in your C drive. So after open your my computer, so set the environmental variables. So right click and go to properties, select the advanced system settings. So now system properties dialog window open. So next click the environmental variables. Set your environment variables are Java home and Hadoop home. So look in look here my system environmental variables dialog box. So I already set Hadoop home and Java home. So Java home in variable, that is environmental variable, set the value of, that means set the path value of C drive Java, and Hadoop home C drive Hadoop 2.6.0 versions. Okay, initial set. Uh, next verify your Hadoop successfully installed or not. So first open your command prompt. So next type C drive. Go to C drive. C. Follow this command. The C drive. So you check your environmental variable. You are created the variable, that is Java home and Hadoop home, or you are created exact, that means correct variable or not. Whether you are whether you are that means go to command pyramid. Type this command. Check your successfully created this command to successfully created the environmental variable or not. So follow this command. Type this command. Just echo percentage caps Java home. Next end of the statement is end of the statement also percentage. So C drive and Java. So like that Hadoop also. Okay. Now successfully install your install Hadoop in your C drive. No need for the Jivin. Jivin uh, Jivin some you can see some videos in Hadoop installation Jivin given there. So no need for Jivin. So directly you can compile and run your Hadoop in your application Windows 7 and Windows 8 64-bit also. So next come to your project location. So your project location contains code and screenshot also. So next go to your readme file. So now successfully install your Hadoop 2.6 versions. Next install your NetBean IDE. So uh, first install JDK 1.8. After that you can install your NetBean 8.0. Okay. So I already installed this after. So I will go to directly run your sorry. I will go to directly start the NetBean ID. Just select the NetBean ID. So click the window menu. Next, choose your NetBean ID icon. Now NetBean ID is started. Just stay down until NetBean ID is started. So here NetBean ID is started. Next, open your project into your NetBean ID. So go to select the menu bar, select the file menu, and click the open project. So now open project dialog window opened. So next, go to your project location to pick your project and import your project into NetBean ID. I committed. Okay, try cache code and cache. Next, compile your project. So select your project, right click and give build. So clean and build. So next, expand your source package and expand your KZ. So next, select the main view.java file and right click, give run file. Next, browse and give the dataset for the viewer.csv file. Go to try select viewer.csv file. Before instead before go to your project backup. It contains already contained a dataset.db file. That file. So first select this file and delete this file. Initially delete this file. So select and right click to the delete options. So next input your dataset in your application. Yeah, it contains 300 records there. So next set your dataset uploaded in your HDFS. That means Hadoop file system storage. set data successfully shuttered. So if now we can come to Hadoop installation location, select folder and go to bin folder, input folder. So the dataset DB uploaded successfully in your Hadoop bin folder and also your project location. Check your project location now. Okay. So next you go to your running application. Select click the next button. First initially start your Hadoop. So click the start Hadoop. Data node, name node, and Hadoop distribution. Apache Hadoop distribution. So now your Hadoop activated in your single cluster node. Okay. So your Hadoop version is 2.6.0. Next, you load your dataset in your HDFS system. Your dataset verify in your HDFS. So resource manager on resource manager loaded in your dataset also. Your cluster, that means web cluster started in your port number is 8088. Waiting for your client request. So your dataset loaded in our HDFS system. So 300 records there. So totally your records in our system 102 started to 300. So totally 200 records there. So next to go to Hadoop installation location. Next come to your application. Run yarn FIFO scheduler. Just click run yarn FIFO scheduler. So map reduce 20% each and every lines map reduce. Finally 100% reducible in your data set. So file size is uh, total 6 KB records there. So normal is 198 record, abnormal record is 2. So overall total record is 200. So 100% map reducible. So maxman, that is your maxman is 5.0 using the FIFO scheduler algorithm. So now come to open your browser. Type localhost 80808. So about, click the about. So resource manager state is started. Okay. So our timing, how to resource manager recovery, RM store also, and your signature. Next you come to your application. Next you click the fire scheduler. We run before one step remaining there. That is, go to your project location and select your code package, and next select the build, and next select the class. So where policies. Okay, it is so where dot policies. So next come to your Hadoop installation location. select etc and Hadoop. Next select the yarn site.xml file. I click. So here is the map produce fire and services is yarn node manager dot. So build application, that is fire dot policies. Every time you can change this corresponding packages, after that run your application. Okay, and save. After click this button, that is pair scheduler. So pair scheduling taken maximum total maximum is 7 and the next FFT scheduler. So go to yarn scheduler, yarn site.xml file, change the package name FFT. Now click FFT schedulers. So 13 seconds. Next or DRF, like that same procedure. So 6. Automatically reduce our max span also and map reduce also. Runnable black count and weight count. Next runnable black count and thread. This is a server status. Okay, waiting time and full also. Okay, thank you.